Hey everyone, this is Jennifer from Verent with another video to help make lives easier and better for digital marketers. As you guys know, Unbounce is one of the most used tools to create landing pages, and it's a really awesome tool. And here at Verent, we use Unbounce to create landing pages for all our clients, all our lead gen clients. So Unbounce has a lot of useful integrations, and it can send out lead notifications as well. But one of the features I believe it will be very useful for us is to integrate these leads to a Google Sheet. So in this video, let me show you how to export unbound leads to a Google Sheet in real time, and you can share that screen with your share that sheet with your client or your marketing team as well. And a disclaimer here, this script is not developed by us here in Verent. This is created by one of the Unbounce experts named Hristian. A huge shout out to Hristian. You have made life easier for us here in Verent. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into my screen and let me show you how this is done. I have created a sample landing page to show you how this is done. So this is a landing page with a few fields here, and this is the sheet that I've mentioned. So I'll provide the link to this particular sheet in the description. So the first step you need to do is you need to be signed into your Google account, and then go to File and click Make a Copy and name this as Leads from Landing Page or something that you remember, and click OK. So now you can close this. We have made a copy from that, and you need to copy this particular part of the URL. This is the sheet ID. Just copy this, and you'll need it in a moment. Go to Tools and click Script Editor. So this is the script that's already pre-written there. All you have to do is to enter the ID here. So once that's done, click Select Function and click Do Nothing and click Run here. So it will execute and it will ask for permission. Just grant it. So it says the app isn't verified. So this isn't a problem. So let's go to Unbounce webhook script and click Allow again. And this is now the script is now run. So the next step is to go to Publish and then deploy as a web app. So just name it new. You don't need to change anything here, and only thing you need to change is who has access to the app. Click anyone, even anonymous. This is important to write the lead data to this sheet, and click deploy. So you will get a code, web app URL script. Just copy this, click OK here, and now go back to your Unbounce dashboard and go to integrations and then webhooks and click add webhook and paste this URL here, and you need to map your field, the first name from form. It should be mapped to first name. You can change this field here, it's not a problem. If you want it readable, or if you want to change this field somehow if needed. I don't think it's needed at all. So if needed, you just go ahead and change this. And another thing, Unbounce page data. So what this does is it adds the IP address, page ID, variant, and time, date, everything to the sheet. Let's enable that too. And what you need to do now is to click Save Changes, and you have successfully updated your webhook. Click Done here. And the next step, let's test this. That's it. We have set this up successfully. So let's test whether leads are successfully getting imported there. So let's go here, and you can see that my email is here, the time, the page ID, date submitted, first name, last name, company name, and the IP address, and the page URL. So everything is imported here in real time. So if you have separate variants, that data will also be added here. So if needed, let's do one more test here. So yeah, it gets updated in real time. So you see that the next email is here and my name is here. So this is how you just import leads directly from Unbounce to Google Sheets. There are integrations using Zapier, but it costs money. You need to pay a monthly charge to Zapier. So this is another method that I find very useful, especially in our company here at Verent. And that's it, guys. It's just that simple. In just under 5 minutes, we have all our leads from Unbounce integrated to Google Sheets in real time. Share this video if you guys find this useful. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, just post a comment or send me an email. I'll definitely help you out. Thank you.